In today's video, I'm going to teach you travel cartoon animation in Canva. We'll start by opening Canva and choosing a video template so we have a timeline to work with. Any standard video size works. Once your blank canvas is ready, head to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Earth or Globe, and pick a graphic with a playful, illustrated style so it reads well as a cartoon. Click to insert it, then resize and reposition it near the center, leaving some space around the edges for other elements we'll add. Next, return to Elements and search for landmarks. You'll see a variety of iconic structures. Choose one you like and insert it. Rotate it slightly to give it a fun angle, then resize it so it sits nicely near the globe without overpowering it. Reposition it along the curve of the Earth graphic. Now add a second landmark from Elements. Repeat the same adjustments. Rotate, resize, and place it so it balances the first one. Do the same for a third landmark, then nudge them so they align visually as a cluster around the globe. Add a fourth landmark and again, resize and rotate it to match the style and balance the layout. Open the Layers panel and bring the Earth element to the front, so the landmarks tuck behind it where needed. Select everything on the canvas, globe, and landmarks, and group them. With the groups selected, move the entire cluster toward the bottom of the frame so it feels grounded and leaves room above for the sky. Go back to Elements and search for a sky or a simple gradient background. Insert it, right-click, and choose. Set Image as background to fill the entire scene. Then, in Elements, search Airplane and add a cute cartoon-style plane. Resize it to be proportionate to the globe and rotate it slightly to suggest motion across the sky. With the plane selected, click Animate and choose Wiggle for a lively travel vibe. Adjust the intensity so the movement is noticeable but not distracting. Now select the grouped Earth and landmarks graphic, click Animate again, and choose a Rotate animation. Set the speed to low so it feels like a calm, continuous spin rather than a fast whirl. Press play to preview your scene. The globe slowly turns, the landmarks right along, and the plane gently wiggles across the sky. That's it. Export your video when you're happy, and you've got a charming travel cartoon animation ready to share.